Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports a customizable lock screen clock and that you're on the correct Android build. Open Settings and go straight to Lock Screen or Display, then to Clock Style or Always On Display. Tap to enable the feature and accept any permission prompts for lock screen widgets or Always On Display. Once done, choose a basic clock mode so you can test quickly. This gets the clock visible while we proceed to customize its behavior. Now you modify the visual and interactive settings so the clock is useful at a glance. In Clock Style, pick size, font, and color. Change 12-hour or 24-hour format under System or Date and Time if needed. If your phone supports lock screen widgets, add a clock widget or shortcuts. Make sure screen timeout and power-saving modes don't hide the clock. Adjust always-on display brightness and do not disturb exceptions, so notification. Finish by locking the phone and checking how the clock appears on wake, ambient, and always-on modes. If the clock is missing, reboot first and then clear settings, app cache, or reset lock screen preferences. Sometimes a third-party lock or battery optimizer interferes, so disable those temporarily. Make sure the system is updated and battery optimization doesn't throttle the always-on display. If problems persist, try toggling the clock off and back on, or consult your device's support for vendor-specific lock screen quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.